Alright, so today we're talking about how to find the measurement of the angles inside of a polygon. So, if we look at number 1, we need to circle the angles in our shape and then label the measures of each. Okay? So first of all, I want somebody to come up here and circle the angles. Okay, Brandon, come on up. Very good. So we've got different triangles inside of our shape, but this entire shape only has 4 angles, right? Okay. How are we going to figure out how many degrees each of these is? How are we going to do that? Okay. Avery?
Well, the first one, or the bottom one's like an equilateral triangle.
What's an equilateral triangle?
It's a triangle that has all like sides the same length.
All sides are the same length and
Have the same side angle.
all sides are the same length and all angles are the same. Do you remember what it is?
I think it's 40.
Oh, who remembers? How many degrees are inside of an equilateral? Courtney?
There's 60 on. Oh yeah.
Yeah, 60 degrees. So if we look at triangle I can go get the shape, right? And then I can test it to see if all 3 are really the same. Are they?
Yes.
Yes. So what can I label on the inside of I? Kaylee?
60.
60. So right away I know 60, 60, and 60. Okay, what do I do next? What's next? Adam? With my eye? With this one?
Okay, I'm confused.
Okay. Nevaeh.
Well, I know that the side of L is the same length as I, so it's just 60 plus 60.
Okay, so you think maybe one of the angles in L is 60 degrees? Okay, so I can take L and my eye and I can see if any of them match up. Which, does that match up?
Yeah.
So we know this corner is how many degrees?
60.
60. So I can label that one 60. What other measurements do I know inside of L? Alora?
That the angle on the right hand side is a 90-degree angle
This one, how do you know?
because a square has all 90-degree angles and they match perfectly with that angle.
Very good. So then how do I figure out this little piece of L right there? How do I figure that out? Emily?
Well, what I did is they're pretty much symmetrical without this line. So if that one's 60, then that one should be 62.
Oh, so Emily noticed this. That it's the same, huh? So we know that this whole entire angle has to be 60, right? But how much would this little piece be right here? Kyla? 30. How can I check to see if that's right? Alex?
What you do, because every triangle equals up to 180 degrees. So add 60 plus 90 and minus the total from 180 and you should get your answer.
Okay, what's 60 plus 90?
150.
Good, 150. So I know I need how many more to equal 180?
80.
How many more?
30.
30. So, and that angle was 30, wasn't it? I can also check and just add 60, 90, and 30, and if it equals 180, I know I'm correct, right? Good. What next? David?
Well, there was another way to figure out how that was 30.
Okay.
Well, since the bottom one for I was 62, you could just do 60 minus 30.
Okay, good. Yeah. So then, how can I figure out these three?
Well,
Okay, Brandon?
Since the other side and they're both symmetrical, all the angles would be the same.
It's the same shape flipped, isn't it? Okay, so then I can fill those in. Am I done?
No.
No! Can somebody tell me what I need to do? Okay, Paul?
We need to label the floor angles. So we already
Good.
got the two on the sides, now we need to get the one at the top, which is 62.
Because 30 plus 30, so we know this one's 60 degrees. What is this one?
It's 60.
Are you
Wait, not 60. What is it? It's double 60, so it's 120.
Good. Because we know 60 and we know 60. Okay, what is this one at the bottom? Ariana?
60.
Yeah, that one's easy. What about this one on the side? Ty?
120.
120. So, I had a lot of work to do to figure those four angles out, didn't I? Okay. So we need to make sure that we circle our angles and then we label, we go through and figure out all of these. And it's always good to start with our equilaterals because we know 60, 60, 60, right? Okay. Alright, we're going to stop that.